The Giant at the Heart of the Atom, Humanity's Darkest Invention. Chapter 1, Discovering the Invisible, 1900 to 1938. Opening scene, black and white dusty laboratory footage and Einstein writing equations on a chalkboard. It all began with a piece of paper and a pen. In 1905, Albert Einstein condensed the universe's greatest secret into a single line, E equals mc squared. This was a revelation of the massive energy reserves hidden within matter. However, the key to unlocking this energy had not yet been found. In 1932, when James Chadwick discovered the neutron, scientists gained a neutral bullet that could penetrate the atomic nucleus. In late 1938, in Nazi Germany, Otto Hahn and Fritz Strassmann observed that when they bombarded uranium with neutrons, the nucleus split, fission. Lisa Meitner calculated that this was not just a breakage, but the very moment where mass converted into immense energy. Chapter 2, The Manhattan Project, a race against time scene. Secret hangars and barbed wire fences rising rapidly in the deserts of New Mexico. The possibility of Nazi Germany turning this power into a weapon led scientists Leo Szilard and Einstein to write that famous warning letter to President Roosevelt. Thus began one of the most expensive and secretive operations in history, the Manhattan Project. Under the leadership of the scientific genius J. Robert Oppenheimer and the disciplined General Leslie Groves, thousands of brilliant minds gathered at Los Alamos. Their question was, how do we fit this chain reaction into a bomb? Chapter 3, The Mechanism of Death, Technical Details. Scene, 3D animations of two different bomb designs rotating on a laboratory table. Scientists followed two distinct paths. 1. Gun-type mechanism, little boy, uranium. The logic was similar to a rifle. A subcritical piece of uranium was fired at another piece of uranium. Upon impact, they reached critical mass, triggering an uncontrollable and unstoppable explosion. 2. Implosion mechanism, Fat Man plutonium. This was far more complex. A plutonium core was surrounded by high explosives that detonated simultaneously. In a millionth of a second, the core was compressed with incredible force, increasing its density and forcing the atoms into a violent chain reaction. Chapter 4, The Geometry of the Chain Reaction Scene. Points of light spreading in the dark. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. One neutron splits an atom, which releases neutrons to split two more, then 4. This geometric progression is so rapid that billions of atoms are split in less than a microsecond. This is not just an explosion. It is the descent of cosmic power onto Earth as matter transforms into pure energy. Epilogue, Trinity and Ethical Devastation. Scene, July 16, 1945. The first light of dawn. A massive mushroom cloud rises over the desert. When the first test proved successful, Oppenheimer whispered that famous line from ancient Hindu scripture, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds." This invention may have accelerated the end of World War II, but it thrust humanity into a new era of fear, the nuclear age. This power, which claimed the lives of approximately 200,000 civilians, still begs the question today. When science outpaces ethics, is humanity truly the winner?